Finding what methods a Python object has. Given a Python object of any kind, is there an easy way to get the list of all methods that this object has? Or, if this is not possible, is there at least an easy way to check if it has a particular method other than simply checking if an error occurs when the method is called?
For many objects, you can use this code, replacing object with the object you're interested in. I discovered it at dive-into-python.net, now archived, that should provide some further details. If you get an attribute error, you can use this instead. GetAttr is intolerant of Pandas-style Python 3.6 abstract virtual subclasses. This code does the same as above and ignores exceptions.
You can use the built-in dir function to get a list of all the attributes a module has. Try this at the command line to see how it works. Also, you can use the #module_name, attr_name function to find out if a module has a specific attribute. See the Python introspection for more information.
The simplest method is to use dir object name. It will display all the methods available for that object.
I believe that you want something like this. A list of attributes from an object. The built-in function dir can do this job. Taken from help dir output on your Python shell. Dir, called without an argument, return the names in the current scope. Else, return an alphabetized list of names comprising some of the attributes of the given object, and of attributes reachable from it. If the object supplies a method named _dir_, it will be used, otherwise default dir logic is used and returns. For a module object, the module's attributes. For a class object, its attributes, and recursively the attributes of its bases. For any other object, its attributes, its class's attributes, and recursively the attributes of its class's base classes. For example,
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.